At the AKU School of Nursing and Midwifery, more than 85% of our students study free of cost thanks to our donors and partners. Today, we talk about one of our biggest partners, the Government of Pakistan's Education Endowment Fund, also known previously as National Endowment Scholarship for Talent, the NEST Scholarships, an initiative of the Ministry of Federal Education and Professional Training.
Since 2020, almost 60 Masters and PhD students at the Aga Khan University have studied on NEST scholarship.
नेस्ट की ग्रांट जो गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से नर्सेस के लिए इन्वेस्टमेंट है, ये बहुत पावरफुल yet very important investment.
Words cannot express how thankful I am to receive the NEST scholarship. This scholarship is helping me to pursue the highest degree in nursing, which is PhD, from Aga Khan University, School of Nursing and Midwifery, which was my dream and it came true.
मेरे फादर की डेथ हो गई, जिसकी वजह से मुझे दोबारा बहुत बड़ा एक इशू आया, फाइनेंशियली बर्डन मुझे फील हुआ, क्योंकि मुझे लगता था अब मेरे एक्सपेंसेस ओवरकम नहीं हो सकेंगे या फिर उनको पे नहीं किया जा सकेगा. बट थैंक्स टू द नेस्ट, क्योंकि उन्होंने इस चीज़ को बहुत अच्छे से ओवरकम किया. मुझे कोई टेंशन नहीं है, मुझे कोई भी इवन अ सिंगल पेनी, आई डिडंट हैव टू पे इवन अ सिंगल पेनी फॉर माई फ़ीस और ट्यूशन फ़ी.
मेरा नाम एहसानुल्लाह है और मेरा ताल्लुक़ बाजवड़ से है, जो कि अफ़गानिस्तान के साथ बॉर्डर लाइन है. और मेरा एक ख्वाब था कि मैं आगा खान यूनिवर्सिटी से मास्टर कर लूँ, क्योंकि मेरा बैचलर के पेशावर से था. और इसके बाद मैंने सोचा कि वेबसाइट्स पे मैं सर्च कर रहा था, इनकी तो हाई फीसिस हैं और मैं कैसे मैनेज कर लूँगा. तो मेरे दोस्तों ने कहा कि यहाँ पे एक नेस्ट भी है, आपको सपोर्ट कर देगा. और नेस्ट रूरल बैकग्राउंड से जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं इनको फाइनेंशियली सपोर्ट करते हैं. तो मैंने AQ में अप्लाई किया और फिर मेरा सिलेक्शन हुआ. बाद में मैंने नेस्ट के लिए अप्लाई किया और नेस्ट ने मेरा सिलेक्शन किया. और फिर जब मैं नेस्ट में मैं सेलेक्ट हो गया तो सारे फाइनेंसेस जितने भी एक्सपेंडिचर है वो नेस्ट कवर कर रही है. Now since I am graduating this year, so this is a bright future and amazing future is waiting for me.
When I came in AKU Sonam and I got to know about the NEST opportunity, and it was a very, very huge opportunity for me, not only for me and for my family as well. I must share that I have 2 kids, and along with the 2 kids and family, you won't even think about acquiring any higher education. So I'm really thankful to NEST, who helped me and let my dream come true.
As the university registrar, I would like to thank NEST for the support that they provide our students at the Aga Khan University. It makes their career very strong because they do not have a debt that to pay. I mean, can you imagine if these students who have done their MSCN or all the other programs for which NEST provides the scholarship, if they were to take loans to complete their education, how long it would take for them to come out of that to actually start their career. So NEST actually does a great job in allowing young people to get on their feet and fly actually into the real world very soon. And that is a tremendous impact that NEST makes to the young people.
मुझे बहुत खुशी होती है ये बताने के लिए कि आगा खान यूनिवर्सिटी में नेस्ट की ग्रांट से we have graduated last week, first candidate in the PhD program.
PhD degree completion is a great achievement, and I think it's a big pride for me, myself, my family, for the School of Nursing, and of course for my whole nation. And I am very much thankful to National Endowment Scholarship for Talent for their monetary support throughout this program, as I had several challenges, and financial constraint was one of the main challenge, which was properly handled by NEST, and without their support it could have not been possible. So today I feel like there is a great contribution to my success from NEST side, and I am thankful to them. Thank you.
Aga Khan University में we are working with a very, very stringent processes to make this whole grant in a very fair, efficient and transparent manner. And for this reason, multiple offices in Aga Khan University, we work together, from Office of Registrar, to Office of Finance, to Office of Needs Assessment and Scholarships, and Office of Outreach and Policy Units. All members, we all work very thoroughly, we all work very hard. I would like especially mention कि हम सारी टीम इतना मिल के जो हार्ड वर्क कर रहे हैं from application, from marketing to application, from application to interviews and committee meetings, और फिर post में भी we are doing diligent paperwork, all the financial works and all the works with the communication with the NEST office. It's all very important and tedious steps which we are doing diligently. Thank you NEST. बहुत शुक्रिया, बहुत शुक्रिया for transforming lives of nurses and nursing students.
Thank you, Nest.
Thank you, Nest.
Thank you, Nest.
Thank you to all our donors, partners, including the Government of Pakistan NEST Scholarship, which is helping us in transforming the life of our students and uplifting communities.